getting up and out, and we're about to get.
This was just not getting up.
About to get burritos. Today's the last day. Tomorrow we go home, unfortunately. So we're just gonna try to make the most of today.
Try to have as lit as the night as last night. We didn't get back till like 5 o'clock in the morning.
5 a.m. We just got done eating, and I thought I could hang today, y'all, but your girl got a little lit last night, and I do not feel good at all. I'm gonna lay down. I'm gonna try to get up for the Game of Thrones trivia because it sounds really fun, but we shall see because I don't feel good at all. Guys, some hours have passed, and you guys. Okay, so we got food, we took a little nap, we went to trivia, Friends edition and Game of Thrones edition. We packed our clothes because we are leaving in the morning. Now we are going to go take advantage of the pool and the jacuzzi before we have to get ready for dinner and tonight's festivities get started. We got the pool to ourselves for the first time. First time in what, 7 days?
Yes, sir.
Look at that. Boy, am I gonna miss this. Sweet life on deck. Now we're about to grab a drink, go to dinner, and then tonight's festivities are gonna get started.
I think we're going to the casino tonight, so that's new.
Last night was a movie, okay? Like, I didn't even get to record every little thing, like every detail, but just from seeing what you saw, like, you can agree that last night got a little crazy.
Deja was late.
I don't really remember, but he's telling me that I was being wild last night.
Gosh, she was hard to tame. I'm gonna just let y'all know that.
And then he claims that we didn't come back in until 5.
Yeah.
Which is insane.
And then after that, we was still, when we got back to the room, we was eating our pizza. And like, I had to wipe her face off with makeup.
My makeup off. He wiped my makeup off.
I'm sure they do that on that.
Keep this, y'all. Crazy, right? You said what?
I said, that's me.
We're like the first ones here. We got our drinks. It's lit.
Rio.
Ooh.
That sounds fire.
I got some good stuff on the menu.
I was like, oh, let's do one at dinner. Is this the last one? Let's do a family hustle.
This is alligator fritters. I'm kind of scared, but I want to try it.
That bread was heavy.
Alright, Chef Barney.
Oh shoot, I'm waiting for the sauce for the alligator dip.
We are rushing to the comedy show, and we got dessert to go.
Baby.
This lady is hilarious. This is the lady, guys. Oh, she's hilarious. We can't record in there. They don't allow us to, but I wish I could have got a snippet for y'all to see how funny she is. Or I don't know. Oh, they're playing Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen. We love this song. We love this song. We gotta go put our luggages outside or they won't get picked up. But yeah, we love that song. It's by Queen. I took AJ to see the movie a couple of months ago and he loved it. Loved it.
I'm a big music fan, man. I listen to all types of music.
No, favorite part, hands down, of the whole trip was visiting Carousel. Carousel was my absolute favorite place. Come over here.
Favorite part was definitely the Jeeps in Curacao.
Just the Jeeps?
Yeah, the mini Jeeps, and then the beach. Oh, it was so amazing. I loved the beach in Aruba too. It was nice.
Yeah. These are our bags here. Oh, it's getting so bittersweet. It's time to leave. What What that mean?
You're not here, man. Unfortunately.
No more sweet life on deck. Back to regular life. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I've never been to a casino, so I'm really saving like the real casino playing for when I go to Las Vegas because I've still never been. But it's the last night on the ship, so we're gonna try it. Hopefully we win a little something, something. What that mean? Y'all, we have no idea what we're doing. I have no idea what I'm doing, y'all. I'm not getting no money. Look at this. Crazy. Alright, y'all. This is where we are. We are literally almost there. Oh, I'm so sad. It is 1:20. We just left the club. We are about to go ahead and call it a night because we have to be up at like 6 a.m. You know, 8 days of vlogging. We did it. I'm so proud of us for being consistent because we never like did it continuous like this. This is our very first time. If you guys didn't even notice the background, we're literally outside by the ocean. It's pitch black out here. Like, this is how black it gets.
This is the exact spot I dropped my phone.
You guys, I don't know if y'all heard me say that in a previous vlog, but AJ dropped his phone. So if the footage that we post is a little scattered and it's not complete, just know that some footage was on my phone and some footage was on AJ's phone. We also lost a lot of fire pictures. When I say fire, like epic, beautiful pictures in carousel. Like, it's all gone. His phone fell overboard in this exact same spot.
In
Literally
DR.
jumped over all of this shit right here and jumped into the ocean in DR. It was tragic. So we lost a lot of footage.
Hey, my phone said, fuck coming back to the U.S. I'm staying in DR, so...
He said it was like a fish that wanted to go back in water.
That's how, I really had to chase my phone like it was a flopping fish trying to get back in the water.
It's just so crazy because I was in the room doing my makeup and he came in and I'm like waiting for him to say like it's a joke. Like, I'm waiting because he plays so much. Like, I'm waiting for him to be like, I'm just kidding. But no, like, he legit dropped his phone in the ocean. But yeah, you guys, like I said, like, subscribe, comment, and we love y'all. All right, peace. Good night.